Hi guys, I'm Shin and today I will do a change of my engine oil in my Miata. Already made account to me. I already have an oil and engine flush, and at the beginning I will he missed me. At the beginning I will add engine flush. What is English? Oh, no English. So I must add this to oil, to engine. Start engine for 10 minutes and then drain the oil and add new oil. Oh shit. Dante. And now I'll wait 10 minutes. It's 11:01. Okay, it's 11:12 and now I will stop the engine and I will go start draining oil. Oil is draining, but as you can see I failed so much and I drain a little to the ground, but not too much. So everything is fine. I know I made a little mess on engine, but I had to clean this engine anyway, so little more mess, it's no problem to me for now. Okay, thank you for watching, bye.